To capture a good looking photo, people generally think they need a fancy DSLR or a premium for smartphones like iPhone and Google Pixel. But with few simple tips and tricks, you can really improve your mobile photography skills with the device you have right now. And in this video, I am going to share you 4 tips which will really improve your mobile photography skills right now. Hi, I am Raghu from Activity Mad. Today I am going to share you the tips which help me to improve my mobile photography skills, and I hope this will also help for you to improve your mobile photography skills. And in this video I have used my Redmi Note 8 Pro to capture the images to show you that you don't need any fancy camera or a premium phones to capture a good looking photo. And a bonus tip is also waiting at the end of this video. So watch through this video. Well, let's start with the first tip, that is rule of third. I am pretty sure you have heard this rule before, and just believe me, this rule will really improve the quality of the image you capture. Now let's see what is rule of third and how to use this rule of third. Well, I am sure you have seen this grid before in your smartphone. If you haven't, you can turn it on in the camera settings. Well, all you need to focus while capturing is your subject must always interact on the top right of this grid interaction or the top left of this grid interaction. So this is how generally people capture an image. But by using this rule of third, this is how the image actually looks, and it also looks very good. So this rule is applicable in every places. And you can notice that not only your subject, the surroundings of the subject is also captured, and which make us to feel like a good image. And this rule will surely improve the quality of the image you are capturing in your smartphone. And the second step is the frame in frame. By adding an extra depth to the image, it will create a big impact to the photos you capture. If you add an extra foreground or a background to the image, it will really improve the quality of the image you capture. So you can see this image without frame, it looks good, but by adding a frame to this picture, it really looks cool. When you take photos using the frame in frame method, you will take the pictures in the another dimensions, which will easily attract others to the picture you capture. And before seeing the next tip, if you haven't subscribed us, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video for you. And if you are willing to search a good looking photo in your manual mode, and if you don't know, check our new video about the capturing a photo in a manual mode. I will give the video in the I button. Please do check it out. And the next tip is the reflection. If you capture a building with a water reflection, the image will look really cool, but you won't find always a water or a surface which will reflect. So you can use any glass or another smartphone as a source for the reflections. If you use reflection while capturing an image, you can convert a boring image to an interesting picture. And if you use this reflection method, you can remove the awkward surroundings of the subject you capturing. And if you use this reflection method, you can easily impress others by just showing this reflection images. And here's the final one, that is rule of odd. You are familiar with the rule of third, but have you heard about this rule of odd? If you capture an image with an odd number of subjects than the even number of the subjects, then the photo will really look good. In this first picture, you can see the image with the 2 subjects, which looks good, but in the next picture, the image with 3 subjects looks really better than the previous one. So this tip is generally based on the human psychology one. We always prefer odd number of images or an odd number of subjects in an image which we capture. So use this rule to attract everyone easily towards your picture. And here's the bonus tip. Just clean your lens before capturing the images. If you clean your lens before capturing an image, you will get a good looking and a good quality of image when you capture an image. So don't forget to clean your lens before capturing an image. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, then smash the like button, and if you haven't, share with me in the comment section. Let me know that, and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe us and keep supporting us. Thank you.